everybody, it's your boy Mr. Ghana baby, alias Wode Maya. I am Wode Maya.
Wode Maya is a popular name on YouTube. His YouTube channel is one of the largest in Africa and it keeps growing at a very fast rate. You might be wondering how a village boy from Ahekofiko ended up becoming a popular YouTuber making thousands of dollars every month. Well, in this video, I'm going to dive into how this annoying village boy from Ghana,
the annoying village boy from Ghana,
managed to grow his channel to what it is today and what you can learn from his impressive growth. Was it sheer luck or is he a genius? Let me know in the comments below what you think and let's get into this. If you like content like this, then feel free to subscribe and like this channel. I'm going to talk about how he started his channel, where he made his major breakthrough, how much he's earning, and how he keeps growing at a very fast rate. Early beginnings.
And this is where it all started.
Some of you may not know this, but his real name is Berthold Winkler. He was born and raised in Ahekofiko in the western region of Ghana. Maya first joined YouTube on 10th January 2013. As of April 2021, I can count over 800 videos on his channel. That's a lot. This guy is a content machine. Maya started his channel when he was in China studying aeronautical engineering. He is actually a trained aeronautic engineer, but I guess the only aeronautics he does now is flying his drone. His early videos are short funny skits with other YouTubers.
Tony Megabus, Tony Lala, Wagabi-san.
Of course.
I'm telling you.
How are you, man?
Man, I did. Look,
China, man.
Man, I'm telling you, China is good. I'm telling you.
You can already see his dedication to creating content from the get-go, taking advantage of his situation and location. He started filming and uploading to YouTube, but had almost no following. His early content was centered on the differences between Chinese and African culture. He did this while he was in school and got very creative with his skits, as you can see. Looking back at some of the early videos, and honestly, they are not really that bad. He produced many videos while studying in China and consistently uploaded them, even though he might have had a tough schedule balancing school and YouTube. He spent weekdays in school and used the weekends to create and edit YouTube videos. Trust me, there's no way he could have pulled that off if he didn't have a passion for what he was doing. Making progress. On 18th August 2016, about 3 years after he started his channel, he hit 2,000 subscribers and 700,000 views and threw himself a one-man party.
Everybody say hallelujah! Hallelujah! Everybody say hallelujah! Hallelujah!
Things were starting to pick up. His consistency was finally paying off, but he wasn't out of the woods yet. At this stage, he was probably earning some decent amount of money from YouTube for all his efforts. I say decent because of the audience he might have had at that time. The thing is that YouTube pays more CPM if your audience is from developed countries, but African and Asian countries make the least in CPM in terms of revenue on YouTube. Sad, but true. So Wode had to change his strategy if he was to achieve his dream of making it big on YouTube. Maya hit 10,000 subscribers on 13th February 2017, a 5 times increase within 6 months. Very impressive. By this time, he had moved back to Ghana and was trying out a lot of content variations to see what would work and catapult him to the next level. Within the year, he put out over 100 videos and just kept going. Major breakthrough, Africa to the world.
This is why this channel is Africa to the world. Africa to the world, because it's all about meeting and linking and bringing Africa together, and that's what you've done.
That's impressive.
That's why you subscribe.
Maya has a natural love for Africa and believes that great things can come out of the continent. So, he started the Africa to the World series, where he showcases interesting places and personalities who are African and are making a difference in Africa. He started touring African countries and produced some of the most entertaining and informative videos that tell of the entrepreneurial achievements of Africans in Africa. This new series started to attract Africans in the diaspora, and during Ghana's year of return in 2019, there was a huge search demand for Africa. Diasporans wanted to know if it was the right time to return home, and Maya's channel was the answer. The majority of Maya's audience today reside in the US and the UK. The YouTube algorithm recommended his channel to Africans in the diaspora, and this took his channel to the next level. Maya has 10 videos that have crossed the 1 million view threshold, and many others which will cross it soon. The diaspora audience also means that his CPM has increased, which means more money in the bank. Maya is still making videos, and his channel keeps growing at about 10,000 subscribers each week. The Wode Maya strategy. Now, to what most of you have been waiting for. What is Wode Maya's strategy that has got him to where he is today? Based on all the data I have, I can narrow it down to 7 key elements that you can also apply to your YouTube channel. Are you ready? Number 1, Wode Maya understands YouTube. If you still think YouTube is just for fun, then you haven't been paying attention. Maya is a business with close to 1 million subscribers. This is larger than some TV stations. He knows the business of YouTube, and that can be seen in his controversial topics and smart use of SEO and leveraging on other established brands to capture a section of their audience. He is constantly producing content to make sure that he never goes a week without posting something. You would also notice that he has content in almost every African country. That's smart, as that gives him search visibility within these countries. It also helps the diaspora from those countries to easily find him. If you think he just got lucky, well, think again. There might have been an iota of luck at the beginning, but definitely not at the state that he's at. Number 2, thumbnails and titles. There's no secret that the video thumbnail is an important factor if you want to increase the click-through rate of your videos. Wode Maya's thumbnails are generally simple with little or no text. Maya edits most of his thumbnails to raise eyebrows. The images are of good quality and are designed to be dramatic and full of activities. This makes you want to click to find out what's going on in the video. This simple technique increases click-through rate, which is a very important metric if you are growing your YouTube channel. His titles are also captivating, and he makes good use of SEO to attract thousands of people that search on YouTube and Google. The third thing is that he's very entertaining.
Hi everybody, it's your girl Miss Wode Maya, and I'm back again with another interesting episode.
YouTube is mainly for how-to or entertainment videos, and Maya figured this out early on with his entertaining skits. He also has an extroverted personality, so you can actually see him enjoying what he does. I guess people like seeing others enjoy what they do. His level of creativity in his videos is impressive and always keeps his audience itching for more. He creatively entertains his audience, and showing his vulnerability in his videos makes his audience trust him and form a special bond with him. He isn't faking it, he's just living his life and sharing his experience. In a world that is overloaded with fake content, it is refreshing to see unique content that is also entertaining. If you are working on your YouTube channel, don't just follow blindly. Make it your own. This is what Maya has done to his channel. He has made it his. The fourth thing is to experiment. Maybe his background in aeronautics has something to do with him always looking for what method would work. Maya experiments a lot to keep his page vibrant and up to date. You can see different variations of content, from extra classes for Chinese kids, dating a Chinese woman, what Chinese think about black people, and Africa to the world. He even has a second YouTube page, which he has seemingly put on hold for now. But the moral of the story is that Maya is not afraid to try new things. It took him years to arrive at Africa to the world. So don't worry if your channel isn't blowing up yet. Keep experimenting and learning along the way, and take advantage of every situation you find yourself in. Number 5 is talking about real issues. Maya's channel is considered a lifestyle channel, but it's not just about his day and what he ate, who called him, what he's wearing, and all that fluff content. His lifestyle channel is about real issues that people can relate to, both abroad and right here in Africa. I think anyone who has such a platform should use it for the greater good, and I personally hope he stays on that path. Maya touches on topics such as racism, addressing stereotypes, poverty, illegal mining, and many other issues that matter to many. Bloggers and vloggers are to share their opinion and not just share the news. That's what makes them different from reporters. But today, we see a lot of bloggers and vloggers just reporting and, in a bid to stay out of trouble, do not really comment and share their opinion on topics. Maya will definitely clash with certain groups, but that is what makes his channel an interesting one. Let your channel focus on important issues and not only on what you wear and what you eat. Number 6 is video and audio quality. The quality in Maya's videos can be seen not only in the resolution, but also in the camera angles and cinematic shots, which keep his users wanting more. His drone shots are spectacular and bring a new perspective to scenes that almost all Ghanaians already know. His audio is also crisp and clear, making it a joy to watch. When I first saw some of his videos, I had a problem with the sound and why he was using only one mic for interviews. But that's history now. It just goes to show that you can start with what you have. The video quality is important, but the content matters more. And number 7, stick with what works. There's a saying that if it's not broken, then don't fix it. Maya found this niche and stuck to it. He has gone beyond the Ghanaian diaspora and is now aiming for all African diasporans, which is a huge feat to pull off. He knows what works for him and is focused on increasing that area of his channel. At the beginning, you can try out a lot of things, but as time goes on, the data will begin to show what your audience likes, so you can choose to focus on that area. Earnings. How much does Wode Maya make? What do you think? What's your wildest guess? Please put it in the comments below and let me see what you think about it. In the meantime, look, having an Instagram channel is cool until this happens. Many people lose their Instagram accounts every single day. As powerful as Instagram is, it's also very vulnerable. That's why it's important for every creator to have their own website. Your website can help increase sales, bring you new business, you can reach more people, you can rank on search engines, and you get to look more professional than just having an Instagram account, which is free. Get a professional website today for your business or your brand. We are giving a special discount if you use the link below, so hurry. This is your chance to finally get that website that you've always wanted. Click the link now and let's get talking. So now, back to how much Wode Maya earns. Based on the data that I've gathered so far, his audience, his subscribers, his possible partnerships, endorsement deals, etc., I would put Wode Maya's earnings around $20,000 to $30,000 a month. Maya has not revealed his CPM yet, so let's use an average CPM of $4 for this. In 2020, he racked up a whopping 40 million views, according to Social Blade. If you do your maths, that's around 3.36 million views per month. When you break that down with a CPM of $4, that would be $13,000 each month. Not bad. Of course, these are just estimates, but I'm sure I'm not very far off. He might be making even more. Hopefully, Maya may do a how much he earned video soon, so we can all get to know how much this YouTuber is actually earning. Final thoughts. Wode Maya has shown that anything is possible on YouTube. Starting from scratch almost a decade ago, he has managed to grow his YouTube channel to great heights by experimenting, finding what works and sticking to it. His likable character and engaging videos mixed with his own creativity makes him a joy to watch. I can predict him becoming one of the largest YouTubers in Africa within this decade. With focus and dedication, I believe you can also grow your YouTube channel to new heights. Keep learning, experimenting, and doing. Faith and patience always work together, and faith never fails. If you like this video, then hit the like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to take the discount in the description below and comment on what you think about this video. Which YouTuber would you like me to analyze in the next video? Let me know in the comment section below. Till then, stay blessed.